Saturday, everyone, and actually, the RV park is pretty empty today. Lots of vacant spots. I don't see anybody renting all these golf carts. Maybe $600 for the week is a little too steepy for most folks. Camper. Today is laundry day, so just putting laundry in. Look at all that emptiness. Practically empty. Uh-oh. Mr. Magoo is playing his music. Alright, a little snoop in the old camperoo. You can see Kurt has the table all set up. You know why? Because he made this amazing oyster stew that Mike Jones sent us a recipe for. See, we got the old bay ready for it. Hey, did you like and subscribe to the video? Thanks!